Hello guys, my name is Fetuga Majid and you are welcome to this practical session where I will be showing you how you can actually link your Instagram account with your Facebook page. Invariably, we are saying you would be able to make or convert your Instagram account to Instagram business, and basically what you need is just you must have created your Instagram account and also created your Facebook account. There are other accounts you can link to it. I'm going to literally show you my account and I'll explain to you some steps. I may not go from the scratch, but then the steps will guide you to understanding and working with this. And you'll see my link where it will take you to a sales page where I actually explain Facebook step by step, from account to page to add account to business manager to campaigns and setting up so many things. So without much ado, let us quickly go to an Instagram account. I'm doing the tutorial from my mobile phone. So we'll click on Instagram. Let me go back to the beginning. Okay, this is just my feed, and one of those things one of those things you'll see is that my story is always active, and no matter how I always want to let me just add something now. No, I'm not adding that to highlight. Let me add something to my story to make it active. I can just add anything. Okay. Wow, what's happening to my story? My story is not coming up. I'll do that later. This is my feed, and where we are actually going is not my feed, but actually this account here. And you see, this is my account. I have few followers and I'm following some people. I have linked my Facebook account to this. That's why you see this product and service is an integration from Facebook, and my BL account address where my website and my address where I live, and few information about me and what I always post. So basically, if you want to link your Facebook with your Instagram, you need to come to your these three menu here, these three items. That is your menu list. And of course, from here, because I've linked my own Facebook to my account, Instagram account, so it has turned this Instagram to a business account. You can see where you have your insights, your so many information about. But this is where you are going. This setting, click on this setting, and it has clicked something else. Okay, click on settings and you come to accounts. This is where you will see, if you click switch to personal accounts, it's going to switch back to personal accounts, but in your own case it's going to be switched to business accounts. It's on business accounts now. So if you click on switch to business accounts, you just need to follow up the sequence and you connect it with your Facebook account, and you are going to select a page, and the Facebook page will automatically be linked with this Instagram account. Other accounts that you can link to with Instagram account, for like my own case now, I've linked my Facebook with it. I've also automate all this, and I've also linked my Twitter account with it. I can also I've automate, and even my Tumblr I've linked it up. So in other words, you can create a post now. I just want to show something. I just want to show something. Let me just see. Okay, let me use this. Okay, I think this is okay. I'll just click next. If I just want to upload, just because I've linked my Facebook, you see I can auto share to these sources. Anything I share now, if I click share, is going to show on my account. It's going to load and show on my account. See, and if you go to my Facebook account, it's also going to show in my LinkedIn Twitter account, in my Tumblr account. Is going to show because I have linked everything together, and this is how you actually, from one source, you can share. In fact, my own is going to show on my website the way I have linked, linked or integrate. I've integrated everything together, and here, because of it's a business account, I can actually start promoting. I have to change my ad account. I'm not doing that now. So of course you can promote from your uh, Facebook ad account, and you can also promote from your Instagram account. So if you have any question on this, feel free to ask me. What we've just done now is to show you that from this setting, and you scroll down, you can actually come to accounts, and if you scroll down, you will see create. In fact, I can also switch to creators account, and there are other integrations that I can do with it. So I wish you all the best. If you need any video guide for any of these tutorials, let me know. I'm willing, and I'm very, very glad, delighted to show you how it is being done. Good luck.
Bye bye.